Alright, what is up, everybody? We're back another day. Yeah, so yesterday what we did was what did I do actually? I don't remember what I did on yesterday's video. I think I was trying to get the text to work, I think. But it was causing some sort of segfault error. The error was here. This was what's causing the error. I wasn't initializing index to anything. So it will just get some random values, and then of course we're trying to get this value, which is crash. So yeah, that was that. Source. Well, let me just go with it. Whoa. Okay. So here it is now. Index has been initialized to 0, and so now the text works. I don't know why this is so slow. I mean, what's happening? Okay, thank you. So yeah, text works. But the problem is that because so the problem that I have was in order to properly render everything in SDL, the main function that has to be called is this render present, right? And so the problem would be that before doing this, I also have to clear the kind of the whole render. So I didn't quite know how to, put this part where I have to render text alongside with this, which is just rendering the array itself. So what I did, I just put the update text inside of the main function, and so yeah, that's pretty much the solution that I've managed to come up with. Otherwise, if I just did here render present, it would look kind of buggy. Let me show you. Well, no, I'm not gonna show you that, but yeah, it would kind of glitch a little bit, which is not what I want. So yeah, I just put it inside of the paint function. Now what I have to do is once the array is sorted, it will execute this function, which is the mark array done, and then paint, right? But it's gonna crash because it's not really sorting any kind of algorithm. It's just painting everything in green. So yeah, I have to do one thing, which is here. I would like to create I don't know, maybe a bool, and then text needs update. Okay, and this is going to be text needs update with false. So if text needs update, then you update the text. Oops. And then if text needs update, it goes false. Right. So that happens every time, and then in the mark array done, I want to put this as I mean, I can just take this up with people's phone. Okay, you know. Hopefully this will fix the error. That is crazy. What the fuck just happened? All right. So let me just fix this up. Run list, and then in here I'm just gonna say I don't understand why the sound has changed out of nowhere. What the fuck? Why has that changed? I don't understand why this weird sounds. Okay, that's why it's there. So now if I do this, well, should it just work? I mean, it does work. You know, I'll give you that one. But let me say that's that's on Mark already got. I don't know how this thing thinks, but let's say it. Okay, so that one is fixed. So this should update actually. Although this index, it should probably update. I don't understand why this is not, you know, working. So it should be working. Run list. And I'm doing paint. Should this also be the index? Because what is the index in this one? Mark array done. Oh, but yeah, this does not have that. Size the short delay micro array done. No, this should be I. I don't care about this one. Right, this has to be the one that changes. Is all the list in this one? Yeah. X equals 0. I don't understand why this is nothing. Oh shit, wait, this is not part of damn. Well, I do have my global object though. Yeah, I do have my global object, so it could be global object next. But it is a private. Yikes. So should I mean, okay, I could put in such part of, you know. Not really, because I am assigning a global object inside, so it wouldn't make that much sense. Let me put this on in here. And I guess I could have some sort of global index here, you know. Like size t index which is for definition of index is a different kind of city. So then in here I could just use God damn. Fuck that. I don't understand why this is not work correctly. I mean, it should be working correctly. Cannot increment value of type char. I mean, this is not a type char. It's like for definition of index. It's a different kind of symbol. Why are you doing this to me? Index. Could this be what's causing the problem? I mean, it shouldn't be, you know. What if this is called globe? Yes. Now, all I do is just use this globe. Okay. Alright. And then here, this will just be the list, and then okay. I'm about to sneeze. Fuck. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, there we go. Each algorithm is displayed properly. So now not only do I need to do the title, but also other things. Okay. Boom. Boom. And then it was in algorithm, right? Text. Yes. Okay. So it'll be text and then the text texture, whatever. I mean, I guess the name always has to be displayed no matter what, right? So I guess I could put all of this in like one function because the name always has to be displayed on one. Shit. Die. But let's just get this going. So now I have to create a STL texture first. Surface called surface. Surface. ETL. Sorry about that. What the hell is going on? Render text side. This is my font text, which is .c string, I think. Length, this would be the size, right? So this is dot length dot length, and the color should just be color. No viable conversion from surface to surface. Yeah, you're right. You're very right. So if this turns out to be creating the STL error, so we can language and then return language. Alright, and then from here I have to texture STL texture called, it also has to be texture to STL create texture from surface. Yeah. With my render. And this is the arc surface. Alright. So if texture it's not see out created texture and then repair minus 10. Alright. Once it is done, I have to create my STL reflect called arc left, where the arc rect.x is, put it at 0, and the y is going to be as well. Let's just do the same. This is the width, and the height is going to be 50. So yeah. Alright. I'm gonna have to change the render texture with my render with my back texture. This is gonna be null. Then this is gonna be arc rect. Right, and then I have to destroy the texture and stuff. Destroy surface. Destroys the surface. Yes. So, you know, the thing here is that access should be updated. It's not really doing that. Access is count. Have I updated this anywhere? Access count. No, I'm just initializing it to 0. Right, so that makes sense, but it's not really doing anything. Okay, so this is, where's this defined? So I have my axis as count. So it should be any time the array has been accessed. So it should be on array access, right? Let's just do it like that for the moment. Is it here? I don't think it's source, not what I wanted. So it's array, then array item. There should be array on access. Yes. This should be access is count. What's this? Go. Okay. One thing to notice, I don't think this is resetting for every time, so. Which, I mean, I guess I could put the axis as count inside of the array, you know, I wouldn't do that much. So, and then this in here, not what I wanted though. And then that's in here. So doing kind of instead of having this here in the array, putting it as two attributes inside of this class, the array class, you know. That's at least what I'm thinking. But you know, it could be size t. Is it a size t? It is a size t. Right. So this would be size t. Count. Sorry about that. And it would be access instead. So here, when we initialize the structure, I would just say that the count is 0, and that access is count so 0. I wouldn't make this 0 anymore. And if you have 4 side of struggle, which is why would be this dot array dot compare count. Another reference to it's a pointer we need to use. You might have meant to use that one. Okay. So this array. Access. Okay. I mean, that's whatever. I do want to change this. This is quick short, right? Or selection short, insertion short, selection short. Yeah, this is quick short. All right. And then actually, I don't want to have to go through it all again. So let me change this. Put it in here. All right, whatever. You have to split it out. And then this stays here. I wonder now that I've changed. Now that I've changed this here. What if I put this? Okay. Great. The text is displayed as on mark array dot. All right. Of course, there's no Mia. Right. And then the last one would be to have the comparison. Okay. Let me put this back. 28 minutes already. Damn. Okay, so this is the axis, whatever. Then I have to do SDL. First is texture. Texture would be texture equals CTF render text. And that's what's solid with the font, with the comparison dot string. Some length. Alright. I've done it again. I don't know what it's happening. What this is. Cannot initialize this type of variable with a steel surface. Oh shit. Okay, so you're a surface. Surface. Yeah, my bad. Texture, my autocomplete has disappeared for some reason. Texture is null, and what the fuck is going on? the error, and then, right. Then I return nice one. Okay. Create my texture. This is not. This is surface. Surface. Right. And this would be the calm texture. Calm texture. This would be calm surface. Right. And this would be SDL. Create texture from surface. And then my calm surface. If calm surface, right. Texture. No. So now error creating texture. Let's see the error. Right. Then I'll have to define my right, sorry, left, right, all the column, right, left column, right, dot x equals, I guess this is the config window width minus 400, com, right, dot y, 0, com, right, dot width equals 400, I guess. Height 50. And then of course, I don't know what this exactly. Have to render it. Texture and the com. Okay. Then I have to destroy the texture. No. Destroy texture first. The com texture. Then I have to destroy my surface. With the com. Oh. It's actually saved, right? Yeah. Okay. Compare account, yes. Huh. So there's no compare count. That's what you're telling. Compare count equals 0. And then you're added to anything? Compare count plus yes. Oh! Yeah, this is less. Like that. Array item. Yikes. I mean, I guess logs. Does this swap? Okay, yeah. So what does happen there? Damn. I mean, it does happen in array item. This happens. On comparison, whatever. But in comparison, this happens. But there's no. Damn. Really does pick me up. Okay, so let's just try it. You're out of here. You are. This is right? Yeah. You're back in here. You can see on this. Oh, okay. So this does happen, and then say, count this, and then I just have to go in here and say stern size t, size t there. I don't know how to be more quick. And then I guess it's the name which was given. Yeah, access is given. Okay. Wait, let me fix this up real quick, and then I should do something where when I'm moving, obviously this happens. Depends. So you're telling me it doesn't happen in search and sort? Does that happen in any point? What are you talking about, buddy? Okay, so change accounts to global variables. Reset. each iteration of levels. Alright. And that's about it, right? And then I want to do another thing, which is remain. I want to do the delay each algorithm as text as well. Do window each item. Find link to resize the other context. Let's go. Right. Okay, so yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Maybe I'll do something else later in the afternoon, but probably not gonna lie. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today, and see you guys tomorrow.